Hi, my name is Vladimir and I'd like to show you something that might brighten your day. I spent a long time searching for a simple way how to record video and audio from a webcam. I tried various tools. Some were too complex, others expensive, and none quite fit my needs. Eventually, I found a solution hidden in the capabilities of modern browsers. With the help of current technologies, I created my own lightweight recording tool that runs directly in the browser. No installation, no fees, just open it and start creating. Want to take a look? You might think that nowadays anyone can code a tool like this, and you'd be right. Technology is more accessible than ever, but that's exactly why I wanted to show how a simple, well-designed solution can still be valuable, ready to use, easy to access, and built with creators in mind. I'm not trying to compete with robust platforms like OBS. I'll show you a compact assistant, ideal for creators, teachers, commentators, or anyone who wants to create quickly and easily. I'll demonstrate what this version can do, and it's open to improvement. Would you suggest any features to add? The app records video and audio, allows you to add subtitles, change backgrounds, insert images, zoom, crop, and move visual elements. If you have a green screen, it can key out the camera feed. It also includes a built-in prompter, a subtle text assistant that scrolls with the mouse wheel or enter key, but never appears in the final recording. It mimics the teleprompters used by TV hosts. A few words about me. I am Czech. I usually create videos with a socio-cultural focus, but with this tool in particular, I'd like to reach a broader audience, maybe younger, maybe international, who knows. That's why I'd love to hear from you. Do you use similar methods? What's your experience? What would you recommend to others? The app was built from scratch with help from AI. Its development involved many trials, errors, and conversations. It will be available online in just a few days. On the 12th of August, it will be ready for use, including commercial use. You'll find it on my website. If it helps you or you like it, you can support me with any amount. The full version, especially with features add-ons, will be available for a symbolic fee. Just to be clear, this project is personal initiative and not affiliated with any commercial brand or platform. I'm not stepping on anyone's toes, just offering an alternative for those who want to create freely and simply and maybe don't have a big budget. It's a great complement to other well-known tools, and if you're creative, you'll definitely find it useful. Want to try it out? It's not just a tool, it's a way to create with ease, without limits, and with full control. Thanks for watching and welcome to a new era of creation. Please keep in mind that the quality of recordings depends on your device, especially your webcam, microphone, and overall setup. This tool doesn't improve your hardware, but makes the most of what you already have. Personally, I used a Lenovo IdeaPad laptop and a Logitech Brio webcam, so results may vary depending on your equipment. If you enjoy what I do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and connecting with you.